right there, YouTube. Now, the plan for today is I want to get the Mack inside. I've got a service brake leak somewhere on the tractor, and I want to get it inside, get that figured out, get that fixed. But it's October 11th right now, and as you can see, we've got a little bit of snow. Now, out here at the shop, you know, the way the wind blows out here, it's pretty open out here. We've got bare areas, we've got other areas that's probably a 4-foot snowdrift. So, Mack's back over there. Probably can't see it. It's covered in snow right now. We're probably going to have to make a couple open up passes here just to even get the truck over here and get it inside. Then I'm probably going to go push some snow for a little while and let it melt off, and then come back and figure out the service brake leak and fix it.
Going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad. And I don't wanna be treated this old way.
inside here. Actually, I think I'm going to try to figure out where my leak's coming from here real quick before all the snow starts melting, making a big wet mess. If it's something I could do real quick, maybe it would be better just leave the door open, turn the heat off in here, and try to do it quick before we have a big watery mess in here. So anyway, I've got the wheels chucked. I'm going to release the brakes. I'm going to wedge something on the brake pedal so we can find out where the service brake air leak's coming from. Okay, so what it looks like we got going on here, we must have hit a rock or something with this band clamp on this can here, and it's leaking right here. You can see that this band clamp's folded back, and right there is where our leak is. Alright, so I've got a full brake can here. I would love to do this because I'd love to have a video on changing a brake can. However, clock's ticking on having a soaking wet floor here, so I've got a band clamp laying here. I've got a service brake diaphragm. I grabbed a cage bolt here. My last video I did on replacing a service brake diaphragm, a lot of people ask me where do you get this bolt for caging the service brake, and it is right here on the side of your brake can. Now the ones that have been on your truck for 10 years are probably seized in there. So when you have some new brake cans laying around, it's never a bad idea just to grab one off of it. And gonna grab a service brake diaphragm, new clutch here, and try to knock this out here real quick. The brake's already released, so got some dirt packed in there. And we're going to leave it released. You do got to make sure you get full engagement on this here. It goes, the T goes in, and then it turns. Now if you can't release the brake, you can run this all the way in with the cage bolt. However, if your brake's already released, it's a lot simpler. Okay, I'm going to grab the impact, we'll buzz this off. Alright, this looks good and flat. Go ahead and wipe that surface off. Spring looks good. Going to kind of hang this bracket over here, or the clamp rather. Wipe the snow off of here. Alright, so that's on there. Go ahead and remove our cage bolt, and the brakes are still released by air pressure, so just do that. Take our cage bolt out, then we're going to check it for leaks. So it's all back together. You can see that there's very minimal snow that's melted. We are just starting to get a couple little puddles under the truck, and we're going to do an air brake leak down test, make sure that we're good to go, and then we're going to call this done. So we're in the truck shut off, we've got the air brake released. We're at about 88 psi right now, which is, that'll be fine. We're going to press the brake pedal and hold it for 1 minute, and because we're tractor only, what is it, 2 psi per minute allowed drop after the initial drop pressing the brake pedal. So we're a little above 80. There are no audible leaks here, but we're gonna sit here and I'm gonna watch the time on the video here and talk to you guys, and when we hit a minute we'll take a look at it again. And I'm not seeing any drop yet so far, but not hearing any leaks. Anyway, the last video that I did on replacing a service brake diaphragm, there was quite a few people that didn't agree with that repair, and it's one of those things you got to understand, it's not always the right or the best repair. Sometimes replacing the entire brake can is the best repair. In this case, we have a brake can that's in good shape. We have a service brake leak on it. We really didn't even have to change diaphragm on that. Probably when I was coming in or out of a construction site or something, I probably hit a rock with that clamp and it tweaked it, and that's why we had that leak. However, you know, it is what it is. It's a real quick repair. In this case, you should do it before the floor gets all wet rather than laying in the water. You know, hey, it works. Brake diaphragm's about, you know, $6-7, and we're actually at 1:20 here now. And yeah, air pressure hasn't moved. I'll show you guys here in just a second. I would say we haven't even lost 1 psi. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Have a great day. Thanks.